Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Digital Era. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to view watch time hours of Reels on Instagram. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or business owner, understanding your Reels performance is crucial for growing your audience and engagement. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to make sure you have an Instagram business or creator account to access detailed insights. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you have a professional account, you can access insights for your Reels. We have three options for checking the watch time hours. First, you can simply open each reel and tap on Insights. Then, look for the watch time. Next, just tap on Professional Dashboard and look for Accounts Engage. And third, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Insights from the menu. This will take you to the Insights Overview page. On the Insights Overview page, you'll see sections like Content, Activity, and Audience. Tap on Content to see insights related to your post, stories, and Reels. Under the Reels section, tap on the specific Reel for which you want to view the insights. Now let's go to the watch time data. First, select the reel you are interested in from the Reels section. This will open the reel along with its insights. Look for the watch time metric. This will show you the total watch time for that specific reel in hours and minutes. Let's take this example. A reel with a duration of 5 seconds receive a total watch time of 1 hour, 57 minutes, and 23 seconds, with an average watch time of 8 seconds. Understanding the data is key to optimizing your content. So when we say watch time, this shows the total amount of time people have spent watching your reel. And also the plays, this is the number of times your reel has been played. Average watch time, this helps you understand how engaging your reel is by showing the average time viewers spent on it. And of course, compare the watch time with other metrics like reach and engagement to get a comprehensive view of your reel's performance. And as a tip, regularly monitor your insights to stay updated on the performance of your reels. Use the insights to improve your content strategy. For example, if certain types of reels have higher watch times, consider creating more of that content. Alright friends, and that's it for today's video on how to view watch time hours of Reels on Instagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Era for more tips and tricks on social media. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog.